Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essential items ready. A charged device and a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, because interruptions slow you down. Once done, open the official App Store and install the Internet app to avoid fake copies. Make sure permissions are minimal, only what the app needs. Next, create or sign into your account with email and password and enable 2FA if offered. This protects access and explains why these steps matter before you proceed. Now configure the app so it works for you. You should review privacy permissions, location, camera, mic, and disable anything unnecessary. This saves battery and protects data. Then, adjust notifications. Enable critical alerts and mute promotional or repetitive notices so you only see what matters. If you want continuity across devices, connect accounts or enable contact sync. Doing this now prevents later confusion and explains why setup here reduces friction when you start using features immediately. Finish by testing a core feature. Send a message, load a page, or stream 1 minute so you confirm everything works. If something fails, restart the app or device first. This often clears temporary issues, then clear cache before attempting a reinstall. That fixes corrupted data. Make sure your network signal is strong and the app is up to date because outdated builds cause errors. If problems persist, reproduction steps help support. Explain what you did, and they'll resolve it faster.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.